Everyone who has ever owned a car with cloth seats knows how dirty and stained they can become. Cloth seats are comfortable and don't burn your skin when your car has been sitting outside under the sun. But they do get stained very easily, and cleaning them might seem like a very big and tool demanding job, especially if you watch tutorials and videos of car detailers on YouTube. Most of them, if not all of them, will show you how to clean seats using a wireless drill with attachments, a shop vacuum, a lot of cleaning solutions, and a very expensive extractor. Those tools and products might get the job done a little bit quicker, and some might even say that without those tools, it is not possible to have a properly cleaned cloth seat. But is this a true statement?
No.
And I will show you the proof. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BMV, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your car seats, your cloth car seats, from this to this without any electrical tools. So no vacuum, no steamer, no drill, no extractor, while using very basic tools. So to do so we will need the following supplies. We will need some clean microfiber towels, a soft bristle cleaning brush, a liquid laundry detergent that we will dilute using hot water, and some hot water that I have put in that container. So without further ado, buckle up and let's get started. First thing to do is to dilute the liquid laundry detergent in hot water. Make sure you cover any plastics that you don't want the detergent to touch, or any hot water or anything else. After that, take the brush and start brushing the seat to take all the debris and dust from the surface. Make sure you brush all the crevices. Start applying the detergent slowly, little by little. Remember, we are trying to use the minimum to clean the seat, so that the seat dries quickly. With some elbow grease, brush the seat and focus on the stained areas. Keep applying the detergent as needed. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, grab a microfiber towel and wipe the seat for a better view. Identify if there is any spots. If so, clean again. And after that, take another microfiber towel and try to remove as much as you can of the detergent. Grab a clean microfiber towel and put hot water on it. Be careful not to burn yourself. This step will be the same as using a steamer. Wipe the entire seat and after that start the drying process using thick microfiber towel. Push on the seat foam to try and absorb as much moisture as possible. Now I open the door and put the car in the direction of the sun for the seat to dry as much as possible.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard.
Now that you've seen the final result, if you find the video to be helpful, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and talk to you soon. Peace.